the Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it is the 5th day of July. I hope you had a nice 4th of July. The weather was just about textbook perfect. I mean, as far as the regular routine 4th of July forecast. Yes, there were storms out there. Yes, there'll be storms out there today, but they will be very widely scattered. However, changes are on the way. There's a frontal system that'll be approaching the state and then moving into the state and then maybe stalling, and that could have a big effect on the weekend forecast as far as raising the rain chances. And I realize this is important because a lot of you are on vacation. I have some updated rain chances for here in the Gulf Coast beaches, plus out in the tropics. There's something new to talk about. Invest 95L. We'll look at that too.
Here's the setup this morning with that big heat dome from the Midwest all the way through the Northeast. They're about to get relief finally. And look at that little weakness over Florida drifting westward along the Gulf Coast. So that's going to cause another wealth of showers and storms down at the beach again. They've seen this day after day. For us, widely scattered storms, you see a few blips on the radar. So, I'll say about a 30% chance of a passing shower and storm. Widely scattered, isolated, sun and cloud mix with a high around 92 and the heat index maybe just close to 100. Tonight's low 73. You see that front just north of the state tomorrow? That is the cool front that's going to give the Northeast a nice bit of relief. But that front will, for us, as it moves southward, will cause scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms, especially over the weekend by Saturday. And then the front hangs up in central Alabama on Sunday, and that means that'll be the focus for a good deal of showers and storms. In fact, I think the storms will be numerous on Sunday, and that'll hold the temperature down to perhaps even below the 90-degree mark with the clouds and showers. And even Monday, as the front continues to decay, still a decent number of showers and storms in the 50% range. Let's review the weekend forecast. I've got a 40% chance of storms in tomorrow with a heat index near 100, and then a 50-50 chance is pretty decent on Saturday, and a 60% chance of showers and storms on Sunday, holding down the temperature a bit, and then still more storms on Monday with a 50% chance before it thins out Tuesday. Beach forecast continues to show very good rain chances, at least in the 50% range today and tomorrow. And then 60% Saturday and Sunday, high temperatures in the middle 80s, water temperature at 86. Doesn't mean it's going to rain all the time. For instance, this is Panama City yesterday, in between showers. So, there'll be storms lurking around, but you could probably still get in some beach time as well. And now out in the Atlantic, we have that system off the U.S. East Coast, which is about to merge into a frontal system, so we don't care about that. But Invest 95L now has a 70% chance of development from the National Hurricane Center. And on the satellite, you can see a good cluster of storms starting to form around 95L as it moves off to the west-northwest. The European has a 30 to 40% chance of this becoming a tropical storm in the next 3 days. But then some of the European ensemble members turn this thing into the Atlantic, and others kind of lose it as it moves into the Bahamas. So we'll see. The GFS is showing this system moving across the island chains into the Bahamas, and most of these keep it going towards Florida, but a couple of them turn it into the Atlantic. Some of the models make this thing a tropical storm. There's a couple of models that don't even take it to tropical storm status, so we'll continue to watch Invest 95L in the tropical Atlantic.
I know a lot of you are on vacation. I hope you have a great day today. There will be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning, online by about 4:45 a.m. And we will be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Greg J, Emily, and Bailey, that little dog that is running around out here behind me. And also we're live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. I'll do a weather chat with Ryan Stinnett at 5:50 a.m. on the Alabama News Network. Then the following hour, we interact with their morning crew, and it's always a lot of fun. That happens around 6:40 a.m. And your forecast when you're out and about across the dial on 8 radio stations twice an hour, the Blue Water family of stations. That's where you'll find my forecast. Have a good one. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.